Hello guys, meet the lightest 6000 mAh battery phone when you fit see for any market so far. Now the Infinix Hot 11 Play. This phone is so light to the extent say if you hold them for your hand for a long time, you fit even almost forget say something there inside your hand. For my last two YouTube videos, I did a review and unboxing of the Tecno Pop 5 Pro and the Tecno Pop Neo. Those two phones they use 6000 mAh battery just like this Infinix Hot 11 Play. But when it comes to their lightness, they're not using any way come close to this phone. And just in case you don't wonder about the price of this phone, you fit collect am for any store within Nigeria for just 75,000 naira. Guy, if you never subscribe to this channel already, click that subscribe button now. And don't forget to like this video and tell me what you think about am for the comment section for bottom. So make I just jump and open the carton of this phone and see what's in there inside. First thing inside the package na the phone. The front of the phone look regular to me until I turn am to the back. Now the color surprised me. Despite say e no too feel premium, Infinix definitely put much work for here. Next inside the box, now the bumper case. E enter the phone and because it is transparent, the design of the phone still remain the same. The only problem here be say e no dey flexible, so e go dey quicker to break, scratch and hold. And if you want this phone, ready to buy another bumper case. Next inside the box now the charger, then the USB 2.0 cable, another made in Aba earpiece, and finally the SIM remover. As light as the phone be, Infinix claims they spend about 3 months trying to work on improving the battery life of the phone. As a result of this their experiment, they combine 2 different power saving modes together to extend battery life. And because of this improved battery life, the phone will stand by for 75 days. So just think imagine say you charge the phone full and then you come keep am for somewhere for 2 months and 2 weeks, and then when you return to collect the phone still dey on and exactly the way you leave am. And how about say the battery fit support 16 hours of gaming with just one single charge? And that means if you start to play game from 6 o'clock early in the morning, the battery fit support that game from that 6 can reach 10 o'clock in the middle of the night. And according to Infinix website again, the phone fit play music for 6 days non-stop. Well, I think that one is one of the features when I go try with this phone. And just when we think say the surprise don't end, when the battery don't come down reach 5% and then you activate battery saver mode, the battery go fit still carry for another 37 hours to use. Oh yagalaka shakalaka, that one big. Now Megalight Communications, Bayelsa State for Nigeria, now they sponsor this video. Their office dey for Melford Okilo Expressway for Amarata beside UBA Bank for Abis Mechanic Junction. So just in case you dey for inside Yenagua and you wan buy phone, dey sure to patronize Megalight Communications. The left side of the phone carry the same house. The top dey empty. The right side gets the volume plus power key, while the bottom carry the charging port, microphone and audio jack. The speaker dey the upper side of the screen near the front camera, and the back carry 2 cameras, flashlight and fingerprint sensor. The main specifications of the phone are the 6000 mAh battery capacity, the 6.82-inch IPS HD Plus premium display, 3D motion reading design for all the edges of the phone, Android version 11, 13 megapixel back camera, and Helio G35 gaming processor. The storage capacity of the phone na 64 gig ROM with 4 gig RAM. The browsing network 4G. Among the pre-installed apps when come with the phone, you go see Beats. This app will help you create your own beats within few minutes. If you dey use the Tecno Pop Neo, this app na the same with the Soul Play app when they inside that Tecno Pop Neo. The only difference na the change of the app name. The back camera na 13 megapixel. Na average camera for near objects, but e no dey zoom far. The zooming scale na 4x. Videos of near objects dey normal. Pictures of different camera mode not bad too. The camera still get fine filters, as you dey see for the screen. The front camera na 8 megapixel, and judge this one for yourself.
Hello guys, this one the front camera of the Infinix Hot 11 Play, and I did do record testing with the front camera, so we'll check.
The phone makes sense for many areas, but make I talk about the downside. First off, I believe say the fingerprint sensor for not dey the back, e for dey the corner of the phone with the power button. The wall dey move away from back fingerprint sensor to side and on-display fingerprint sensor. The second reason here na the display response rate. I slow this video down make you fit see the time when dey take the display to respond when my finger tap something and then I can remove am. And the last issue here na the phone software. Although the phone na Android 11 phone, e now get the upgrade to the swipe down notification and the quick settings. E for dey better if this phone get upgrade to the quick settings, since the upgraded quick settings dey more icon rich. This video na the Infinix Note 11 and Note 11i unboxing and review. This video na the Infinix Hot 11 review and unboxing. If you click this link here, it will take you to the subscription page. So tell me what you think about this Infinix Hot 11 Play for the comment section below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you for my next video.